What's good, my beautiful kings and queens? It's I, Wini, your favorite British lock YouTuber. Just like the title says, today I'm going to be retwisting my locks with what I usually use, which is rose water. I can't lie, I'm a little bit anxious because I normally have like a big bottle of rose water that I have as a spare, and I've run out of it. So literally I've only just got this left and I didn't get a chance to go to the shop, so I'm just gonna have to ration it out. But yeah, when I retwist my locks, I just use rose water. I've been using solely rose water for a long time and it works well alongside my hair. I know some people are going to be watching this and going to be like, how rose water, how does that even hold, yada yada. It just works well with my hair. If you've been rocking with me for a long time, you would have known that I was trying aloe gel for a very short while. The aloe gel did work, but I just got tired of having to get imported from the US to the UK. And so yeah, after a while I just realized with my hair personally, less is more. So the less products and stuff that I use, the much better it is for my hair. So literally I've got a tie around my hair because I've just washed my hair, and I just want to say this isn't a continuation from my previous lock videos. What I do, if you haven't realized already, is I tend to film in bulk. So all those kind of wash and hot oil stuff that I did was roughly about 2 weeks ago from when I am filming this video, but this video isn't probably going to be uploaded until probably in over a week's time or so. So it's completely unrelated. I've now washed my hair on a completely different separate occasion because I'm going away and I just needed a wash, and I also realized I needed a retwist. So okay, let me just unravel my towel. Okie dokie. Right, yo, woo. Right, so please excuse the sunshine. I'm using natural light. I'm stood. Oh, maybe I might wanna see if I can readjust my camera a little bit. Right, so the sun is a little bit nuts, but anyway, right, this sun is a little bit wild, but I've basically gone 3 months. The last time I retwisted my locks was in February, right? So currently, as I'm filming, it's May. So yeah, I've basically got a lot of growth. I may not be able to capture it all, but it just feels like when I try to run my hands through my locks, there is like a lot of growth. Hopefully it's capturing it. I'm kind of holding my camera a bit wayward like. So I basically got 3 months of growth that I'll be retwisting today. So literally for my retwist, all I use is a little bottle. Well, I'm forced to use a little bottle of rose water today. That's obviously in a spray bottle. I got this spray bottle from my local hair shop for £1, it says. And then obviously I use kind of 2 hair bands. I've got hair bands, hair ties. Yeah, that's literally just to hold my locks up. And then when I manage to retwist a lot, I will put the rest together so that they don't unravel. So yeah, roughly how long does it take for me to normally retwist my locks? It can take anything between an hour and a half to 2 hours. It all kind of depends on how quickly I go. But for me, I don't really care about how quickly I'm going. I more so care about me retwisting properly. And also my hair's damp now, so it's gonna be very easy for me to separate my hair. And obviously I got my rose water. So I'm tired of talking. I'm just gonna get straight to it. with some of my locks, which is hard to do on camera, especially the ones on the front, what I like to do is with the baby hairs on the side, I basically like to plait it into the main lock instead of just do a straight retwist. It's gonna look weird, but I'm looking at the screen above my camera just so that I don't mess it up. But normally with something like this, I would prefer to do it in front of a big mirror. But yeah, so basically when I plait the baby hairs or the loose hairs around my lock into my actual lock, I will not retwist it. I will just leave it as is, because for me, I don't want to damage my locks. And also with retwisting, for me, it's not about retwisting tightly. I think the main thing for me is to just make sure that my locks are separated and that obviously my roots are retwisted into my lock. So as you can see if I can get closer, yeah, I'm just literally just plaiting it into my main lock. And then any kind of flyaways like around the actual lock, I will just kind of twist it around my lock. That's literally what I am doing. I only kind of have this issue as such with my locks right at the front because I have a lot of baby hairs. So obviously where I went 3 months without retwisting, my loose hairs were just basically doing whatever the hell they wanted to do. So now I've plaited into my lock, I'm literally just, you can kind of see that this lock is a little bit fuzzy, so just the kind of hairs around the lock, I'm just retwisting it around it, and that's literally it. I'm not gonna then retwist the lock because nah, there's no need. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this last lock over here. Look how thick my roots are, guys. 3 months no retwist. Some of you did say that I would benefit from not retwisting for a whole year, but I cannot do that because I'm just not comfortable with that. And not only that, but I've got a very sensitive scalp, so I've realized that even with me not retwisting for 3 months, my full roots were somehow irritating my scalp and causing my scalp to feel really itchy. So I was noticing that as of recently, I've been itching much more than usual. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't like that, right? So that's how it looks like. So obviously if it's looking like that and from the roots, you can tell there's no need for me to retwist. Voila, there we are all done. I've even got just a little bit of rose water to spare, which is interesting because normally I actually end up using the whole bottle and maybe like and a half, but trying to ration it out. With some of my locks, when I was retwisting, I kind of would create a donut around the root just so it would hold. So normally when I'm all done, what I like to do is I just like to straighten all my roots out. I didn't do with all of them, but the ones that I did, I just like to go over and just straighten it out. And then, am I gonna blow dry it? No, I don't think I will, because my hair's not wet, it's just slightly damp. But I just like to straighten it out and then put it back into a ponytail. Okay guys, so that was basically me done. A retwist simply using rose water, successfully achieved. I started at 10:38 a.m. in the morning and the time is currently 12 p.m. So yeah, it took me an hour, and let's just say an hour and 20 minutes, which isn't too bad at all. I'm just gonna leave my hair on this occasion to just air dry because it's a lovely day, it's quite warm, it's gonna air dry. And I know that in one of my videos I said that this year I wouldn't style my hair, but I'm feeling to style my hair, so I'm probably gonna put it in little 3-strand plaits because I'm going away soon and I know that where I'm going to is going to be a hot destination, and I just want to have a protective styling while I am out there. So there you are. Basically with me, like I said, less works more for my hair. I've been using rose water for quite a while to retwist. I don't have any issues with it, and I feel like this video also shows the fact that it doesn't take much to have my locks looking nice and shiny. Literally all I've used is rose water. I haven't used castor oil or any other oils in my hair at present. I'm just gonna rock with the rose water, allow my hair to dry, and then maybe tomorrow evening or so just go around my scalp with a little bit of castor oil. And if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up, like it, share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. You lot know that I have absolutely loved, and I do enjoy, I have enjoyed making lock videos. And you may have noticed that I have also been adding, you know, random videos here and there to the mix. However, I am gonna say that I am becoming bored now of feeling restricted to only making lock videos. There is a lot more to me than just my locks, even though my locks are a massive part of me and I absolutely love them. I'm a free-spirited person and I hate feeling restricted to making just a certain type of content. So I'm just letting you guys know that going forward I am going to be adding various things to this channel, because I feel like change is good. You know, it's good to come out of your comfort zone. There are various topics and various things that I would like to discuss on this channel. And also if I'm, you know, traveling or something's happening and I want to vlog about it, I want to do so on this channel, and that is what I will be doing going forward. So yeah, if you guys have any tips or anything that you would like for me to cover going forward, please don't be afraid to let me know. But until my next video, you guys be good. See you.